In this video, I will teach you how to lose weight at home in quarantine. You ready? Let's go. Number 1. Start by eating small portion sizes. Reducing your portion sizes is an easy first commitment because it doesn't require you to change your eating routine. You can simply reduce your portion size by 25%. This way you will eat less and reduce calories. There's a chance you'll curb overeating but still feel full on 75% of your normal daily calories. To help you lose weight at home, you can serve your smaller portion on a smaller plate. You'll feel fuller and more satisfied. Number 2, eat more whole foods in your diet. If you eat whole grains, fruits and vegetables, you can eat more while gaining less. Some good whole foods to eat are whole eggs, leafy vegetables, salmon, lean beef and lean chicken, boiled potatoes, tuna, soups, cottage cheese, avocados, nuts, whole grains and full-fat yogurt. You may need to cut back on processed foods. Processed foods should be reduced to portion sizes of 100 to 200 calories. This will help you to cut calories and help you to eat more healthier whole foods, which can help you to lose weight at home while in quarantine. Number 3, drink less liquid calories. If you want to lose weight at home in quarantine, you may want to make a few swaps with your liquid beverages. Milky coffee drinks, soft drinks, and alcohol are all drinks that are loaded with calories and give you the fewest nutrients. To help you lose weight, you can swap these types of drinks with water, protein shakes, fresh fruit smoothies, and green tea. When you do this, you will begin to reduce the number of calories you are consuming. You will also improve your metabolism, and this can help you boost your weight loss at home. Number 4, try to cut calories in your diet significantly every other day. You should not skip meals, but you can reduce the amount you eat by 25 to 50%. You can begin to see weight loss benefits in just 2 weeks at home in quarantine. The same is true of low-carb diets. Using an alternative day plan may also be easier to keep up in the long term. So now, if you want an effective solution for weight loss, I recommend you take a look at the Atkins Diet Program. Please make sure you click the link in the description box below now and it will take you through to the website for the Atkins Diet Program. You can have a look at the plan and get started today. I hope this video helps you. Please make sure you subscribe and please turn on notifications or you won't find out about my latest videos. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and leave some love by leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching this and I will see you next time.